Good morning and a very welcome to our Tjhoko paint factory. It's Mama Tjhoko streaming live from Randfontein, where our home base is based. It's been a hectic couple of weeks. Yesterday we had the crew of Kwela visiting us at the factory, and for the past few weeks we've been busy revamping, repainting, not because the TV crew came to visit, because we have in the past been busy assisting so many people, and we still want to do all over the country. But we've decided this year one of our main focuses will also be our own people. So we've started renovations in the factory. We availed ourselves. We've worked our butts off. I think I've dropped 2 dress sizes, so it's really been worth it. And this morning I do want to share with you what we've been busy with. Something that is truly the center of my heart and my being is to make a difference. And I think everything I do, and I'm saying this from a very sincere place, I do to bring forth change and difference. And as I'm standing here this morning in our factory, I'm overwhelmed with emotion. I think it's because I'm tired. Yeah, I am. But more than that, the change that I have seen with our own people. You know, everyone jumped in. No one even thought twice of assisting. Our T-girl painted so many things. I think she's a professional painter now. Our security guard painted his security gatehouse, our entrance gate, numerous things. One day chuckled so hard because Comfort, our head center, was busy painting things as well. Everyone jumped in. And we received clients, and she shouted and said, "Get back into your cars, because before you know, you will also be standing here and painting something." We have an incredible team. People that are sincere, that's been here forever. Yesterday when the TV crew had an interview with Comfort and Jane, Comfort's been here for 20 years, Jane 19. Nakele started the entire Tjhoko journey with me. So it's something that's amazing to see. I do want to turn the camera around so that I can share everything with you. So as you walk into the factory, Katie Bonnie, say good morning to the people. Look how beautiful she looks. She's been a star, helping and painting so many things. So as you walk into our factory, it says, "Welcome to your happy place." And here is our welcome sign. Most of the wood has been used and repurposed for making things in the factory. So there's a bench. Look how beautiful Janie looks at her reception desk. I just want to remove my red block. Morning, Yaku. Morning, Suzuki. Okay, our vision, mission, and values. So the team has been part of this. We do want to be a leading global paint brand, unleashing boundless creativity, recognized as a trendsetter in the industry, promoting innovation, quality, and artistic expression, and leaving a lasting impact on the global creative landscape. We want to inspire and nurture our people, drive innovation, maintain uncompromising quality, excel in service excellence, service delivery, create employment opportunities, empower individuals, and contribute positively to communities is our commitment. And then these are our values. I don't want to read it, but we just want to excel in every part of personal and also professional our professional life. So here is the color blocks as you walk down our passage. There is the color block inspiration. This is as you enter our paint master section. Maria, say hi to the people. There's Maria. She's one of our admin personnel, and even Maria has been assisting to make her office space something absolutely amazing. So there our clients can wait until the job is done, and we are going to strive to think outside the box. So this is our paint master section, and as you walk in here, we have a door that says, this is where the fun stuff happens. And in here, we have a showroom. Our TV hasn't been switched on yet, it's a bit early, but here is our showroom. You can watch our inspirational videos. Orders can be placed here, and then the team will pick the orders upstairs. Willem Botha and myself were busy yesterday creating that texture on that wall. Willem, if you're watching, look how beautiful it has dried. And then inspirational pieces, color blocks on the walls. So this is our showroom, and let me show you here. So as you exit the showroom, these are canvases that's been put up to show you some of our incredible team members. We will change as we go to make sure that everyone gets a turn to feature on our wall of fame. This is our story with our timeline, and there it started in 1975. And we are now here. And here's some of our memories, some of the amazing adventures we've had. Yesterday during the interview, I always dream big. And then Willem said, what's the next dream? And I said, you know, I live by this. If at first the idea is not absurd, then there is no hope for it. So don't ever think that you are dreaming too absurd. Only then there is hope for your dreams to become a reality. Tjhoko is busy making us some coffee. I'm so glad to see that. And this is our new Tjhoko kitchen in the factory. Splashes of yellow. There's some dishes still to be done, but this is our space. Let me take you up the stairs. So we tried to create like a color wheel up our stairs with color blocks all over the wall to our Tjhoko paint admin block. Suzuki, as dit jy sê môre vir die mense? Het jy hard geverf, Suzuks? Ja, maar jy verf so mooi, Suzuks. Ek's trots op jou, hoor. Dis 'n baie mooi office nou, Suzuki. Okay, so this is up the stairs. I am going home soon, but I said to Tjhoko, I'm sure they will offer me a lifesaver position because my body is so toned now from all the stairs. This is Amanda. Amanda is the person that you receive your invoices from. Amansi, you look beautiful. And this is our office space at the top. So we're striving not to do average, but to do awesome. So it's still early, the team is still arriving. And then in here is our design quarter. Creative minds are rarely tidy, because we are thinking about things always. Some color inspiration. And then over here, our pride and joy, some of the front covers which Tjhoko has featured. in partnership with the Home magazine. And then Jessica's office, yeah, and that is a drum that we repurposed in being a, let me just put my energy drink down, to be a cupboard. How cool is that? And then here is where all the picking gets done. So all the accessories are here. And this is where, when you place your orders, this is where it gets picked from. And then this is our filing and our accessories. And here is the amazing team. They are sitting at the back having their breakfast. I'm just going to greet them, so excuse the loud shout. Good morning! Dumelang, Sambonyani, goeiemorgen. And there's Holiday Squirrel. If you've ever used that color, that's what Holiday looks like, Ollie. Say hi to the people. And here is our quality. Does not only begin with the letter Q, it must be followed by U. And people, this is our color wall that we've created together as a team with balloons. And our theme this year as a team is to make our mark in every aspect, personal, professional life, spiritual life, just to make sure that we complete the circle. There's the team downstairs, picking, packing orders. Goeiemorgen julle. Morning, Mike. There's the team downstairs. And as they enter the factory in the mornings, it says, stand here to activate your superpowers. Let me go show you what it looks like downstairs. So this is where Tjhoko orders get packed. And there's the amazing team at the back, all in their pink uniforms, looking pretty and ready for the day. Then the stiff muscles, tight body is all worth it. Okay, and downstairs, let me take you to the back. There's our fresh new garden, and there is an indication, our road signs. So Dubai, Scotland, reception, dispatch, Namibia, Botswana, Ireland, Mauritius. Okay, so we remind ourselves to be thankful every day and to remain humble. I said yesterday when the Gwela team was here, business keeps you humble. Comfort nog God so. Sê goeiemôre vir die mense. No. This is Comfort's blue, everyone. I hope that the reception will continue. So there's all our very important rules that we need to live by. And here's the rest of our factory. And the amazing team in action. So I do want to, Mosey, Mike, can you please ask Ishmael to bring the stacker here? I'm busy with a live Facebook broadcast, but I do want to show the people how beautifully it's been chalkboard. There's Nakeleki. Olivia Spale. There's Olivia Spale in action. Petunia. Say hi to the people. So there's Petunia, our Petunia color. There's Jojo at work. She's a... Hallo Jojo Key. Hallo. Verlos Soko, say hello vir die mense. Come, no, you need to stand closer. They need to see how beautiful you are. You're even more beautiful than your color, Verlos. So come here. She's shy. And I'm just waiting for our stacker to arrive. Not our stacker, our forklift. Because you know why? I have seen, I'm just going to switch around. I have seen all the amazing things that, and the creative things that you Tjhoko, but I have something that, that the team actually took own initiative of to make sure that it has received a new lease on life. So our forklift has been part of our journey since the beginning. It's celebrated its 20th year working with us, and the team also gave it a fresh new look. I just want to see when it's arriving. Wil jy nie gaan vir Ishmael vra? Hy moet gou vir ons die forklift vinnig nader ry nie. Ek wil vir die mense wys wat het julle met hom gedoen, Kamfie. Okay, so this is the new us. Our factory is brand new. It is it's ready for 2024 and the future. And let me show you Ishmael's ish in action. Ishmael, jy moet môre sê vir die mense. Say good morning to the people, Ishmael. There's Ishmael's ish. And look how beautiful our forklift looks. Matte black and real red. Okay, say goodbye to the people. Okay, this is Mama Tjhoko signing out. Now you have seen our factory. You now saw what we've been busy with non-stop for the first few weeks of the year. And we are ready to make our mark for the remainder of the year. May you all, as we have reached the last day of January 2024, may the rest of the year be filled with blessings, be filled with colorful moments, and be filled with joy. This year is going to be a year of joy. Thank you for being part of our joyful journey and story. Sending you much love. Bye.